Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today we have two powerful robot vacuums from Shark that are going head-to-head. In one corner we have the Shark AV1010AE IQ robot vacuum, and in the other corner we have the Shark AI Ultra voice control robot vacuum. Let's compare these two products in various categories to help you decide which one is the best fit for your cleaning needs. Let's start with the price. The Shark AV1010AE IQ robot vacuum is priced at $379, while the Shark AI Ultra voice control robot vacuum comes in at $599. The AI Ultra voice control model is slightly more expensive, but it does come with some advanced features. If budget is a concern, the AV1010AE might be the better option for you. Both of these robot vacuums offer excellent cleaning performance, but there are some differences. The AV1010AE boasts improved carpet cleaning performance compared to its previous model, making it ideal for homes with carpets. On the other hand, the AI Ultra voice control model features incredible suction power and a self-cleaning brush roll, making it perfect for picking up pet hair and debris on all floor types. If you have pets, the AI Ultra voice control might be the better choice for you. Autonomy is an important factor to consider when choosing a robot vacuum. The AV1010AE has a bagless, self-emptying base that can hold up to 45 days of dirt and debris. Meanwhile, the AI Ultra voice control model takes it up a notch with a bagless, self-emptying base that can hold up to 60 days of dirt and debris. If you prefer longer intervals between emptying the base, the AI Ultra voice control is the winner in this category. Both of these robot vacuums offer convenient smart features. The AV1010AE can be controlled using the Shark Clean app or voice commands with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. It also features total home mapping and room select, allowing you to choose which rooms to clean immediately. The AI Ultra voice control model also offers voice control with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, and it comes with precision home mapping using 360 degrees lidar vision. If you prefer more advanced mapping capabilities, the AI Ultra voice control might be the better option for you. Finally, let's talk about the accessories that come with these robot vacuums. The AV1010AE includes two side brushes and a filter, while the AI Ultra voice control model comes with two side brushes and one filter. Both models provide the necessary accessories for proper maintenance. Based on online reviews, the Shark AV1010AE IQ robot vacuum is praised for its cleaning effectiveness and time-saving benefits. It is recommended for homes with carpets. On the other hand, the Shark AI Ultra voice control robot vacuum is praised for its pet hair and debris pickup capabilities, as well as its advanced mapping features. It is recommended for households with pets and those who prefer longer intervals between emptying the base. And that concludes our comparison between the Shark AV1010AE IQ robot vacuum and the Shark AI Ultra voice control robot vacuum. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you're on a tighter budget and looking for excellent carpet cleaning performance, the AV1010AE might be the right choice for you. However, if you have pets, prefer longer intervals between emptying the base, and want advanced mapping capabilities, the AI Ultra voice control model could be the better option. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Stay tuned for more episodes of Buy Smart.